Found out about Revive through a really good friend. I was out playing cards one night and talked to a bunch of guys and said, I need help with my roof. And one guy jumped in right away, and he had said that he had worked with Revive before and had a wonderful experience, and so I gave Rob a call. We wanted to make sure that Revive checked on what the project would entail. We knew that there was damage from a windstorm, and so we contacted our insurance. Initially, we had some trouble with the insurance because they didn't want to replace the whole roof. There were many different details and parts to the project that Revived was actually really an expert in figuring out. When we went to them, eventually we had them hired on as our public adjuster so that they could advocate for us. And once that happened, the insurance company, jumped in and said, you know what, you're right, this is something we need to do. It took some time, but throughout the project, Rob was very responsive and definitely supported me through the project. We had a wonderful opportunity to look at different shingle types and colors and to determine what we wanted the roof to look like. Rob was even able to make pictures of what the house would look like with that particular shingle. And we picked one that we thought would be wonderful. And when the guys came out, not only were they effective and clean, but they were quick. I recommend these guys to anybody. The project happened over a long day, but one day. It was pretty incredible. The place looks awesome. The neighborhood is asking all about it because they think it was a wonderful job as well, and we're really happy. Cleanup afterwards was great. I was here as the project started, and I saw them board up the garage. I saw them bring the dumpster right up to the garage so that everything would slide right in. Anything that didn't slide right in was easily picked up, and when I got home that night from work, it was immaculate.